Okay guys, so I wanted to give an update on my 2015 Maserati GranTurmiso Sport with about 17,000 miles. It is September the 20th. It's been almost about a week and a half since my car, the check engine light came on, and I had it brought over to Maserati Burlingame. I got a call yesterday late in the afternoon from the service manager, and indeed, the Ferrari motor is going to be covered under warranty. They got the final approval from Maserati Italy, and then it went to Maserati USA, or some of the Maserati forum groups have been commenting Fiat. Regardless, the new Ferrari motor is covered under warranty. It's going to take about a week to ship from Italy and to get to California, and then it's about a 4-day installation. Now, there have been some comments on the Maserati forum, folks with GranTurmisos. Anybody who is going to have an expensive car and the motor completely has to be replaced, or the motor is gone, I don't think anybody with a warranty would accept a rebuild. I think that's ridiculous. Somebody commented they should just rebuild it. Why don't they rebuild it? I wouldn't accept it. I would want a full replacement motor. And I think with some of the even Maserati forum experts commented on that's not how they do it today on especially luxury type cars. The cars come from the factory. It's a plug and play kind of deal or installation. You know, they'll probably lose money if they do a rebuild if the car is under warranty. So regardless, it's covered under warranty. New Ferrari motor coming in from Italy. The other comment that I wanted to address was that the cost. It is truly over $40,000. The motor itself, I was told, was around $32,000 to $33,000. The installation, you can imagine, from according to the mechanic, all these guys have the Maserati Academy certification. The mechanics, it's about a 20-hour to 25-hour installation time. For them to that's what they basically say, that's how long it should take for the installation. But it is just over $40,000 to install this Ferrari motor, and I'm absolutely ecstatic because Maserati, especially in the GranTurmisos, they're starting to do away with the Ferrari motors. They're coming out with their own brand or their own Maserati motors to be installed. So I am absolutely happy. I'm hoping in the next 2 weeks, I'll have a new Ferrari motor installed in my car. I'll also be dropping in and doing some videos of this new Ferrari motor arriving in California and the installation along the process or along the way to kind of share with everybody. But again, absolutely took about a week and a half for Maserati Italy and Maserati USA to kind of give the approval, and just 100% happy with the current status. Let's just see if they get it installed properly and I don't have any bugs or issues. I'm hoping the value of the car will go up since it's going to be a brand new Ferrari motor with 0 miles, but let's find out. More to come. Thanks a lot.